I know every day can feel like Christmas time is here.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Happy Tuesday. It is, y'all, we running late today. I think it's almost 12:30, girl. We heading to the gym. What are we doing? But anyway, I am heading to the gym. I did my run this morning, y'all. When I tell y'all my legs are hurting, It's a gentle sore, which is great. That means I'm doing something right. So the run this morning, I ran at home this morning. So it's much, much better than yesterday, because y'all know yesterday I was scrambling in a hot mall trying to run. Felt like I was about to pass out because the mall was burning up. They didn't have the air on or nothing. I guess they don't turn the air on until they open the doors, girl, at 10. Although it was a good run. It was a good run because clearly I could feel it in my thighs, which is where I want to feel it. But the crazy thing is I'm heading to the Y now because today is leg day. And what is going on up here? Can y'all please? So today is leg day, and pray for me that I get through this workout, child. Oh, and the arms? Yeah, the arms are sore. They're sore. Not that for me. I live for the soreness, y'all. I know a lot of people don't like the soreness. I'm one of those weird people. I live for the soreness, honey. The sore, the better, if that's a word. The more painful for me, the better, because I know I'm working it. I'm using the machines right, and I'm working the muscles right. So bring it on. So yeah, girl. Lord Jesus, I'm bracing myself because it's gonna hurt. This whole workout is about to be painful, but we got to do what we got to do, right? So I'm not going to be in there long. I usually do 5 reps. I do 5 reps of heavier weights. If I'm really, really sore and I just can't do what I typically do, then what I'll do today is do 10 reps of lighter weights. And then that's fine. And then I'll be done. I think yesterday for the arm, and that's what I did for the arms yesterday, y'all, because I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I really don't work out my arms. But that is a part of the workout plan now. And so yesterday, girl, what is this haze? Yesterday, I did, because I don't work out my arms, I did light weights, but I did 10 reps, and y'all, I feel it, and I love that for me. So that's what we're going to probably do today, but I'm going to first do heavy weights at 5 reps and see how that does. And yeah, so I have to do that, and then I got to run and drop something off. And then y'all, why do I go to the grocery store every day? What is wrong with me? And I'm trying to watch the calories, y'all, because I was bad last night, which is why I ran my butt off this morning. So I was bad last night. Today for lunch, I'm going to do, I have some turkey burger. So I'm going to do a turkey burger, open face. I'm not using any bread or anything. And some fries I got from Trader Joe's. And that's going to be lunch. And some tea. Yeah. And for dinner tonight, I have some chicken thighs. So for dinner tonight, this little girl need to make her mind up, girl, because she done went from one lane to the next, back to the next lane. What is she doing? Blocking traffic. I'm going to up on her phone. So tonight for dinner, I'm doing air fried chicken thighs. I have some boneless chicken thighs. So I'm doing the air fried chicken thighs, and I'm going to do some vegetables with that. I'm having any carbs with it. And I'm going to just eat that and some vegetables for dinner. That's all we're going to have. Oh, I am going to make a side of Alfredo sauce. I just want to drizzle that over my chicken and my veggies, and that's what I'm going to have. I was going to make some pasta, but since I'm having fries for lunch, I'm not going to do pasta with it, my dinner tonight. I'll probably do pasta tomorrow because I'll have some chicken fries left over. And I'm just going to pop them in the air fryer, season them real good, pop them in the air fryer, and drizzle some homemade Alfredo sauce over it with some veggies. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Love that for me. And I'm trying to break myself out of the habit, y'all, of always wanting something sweet after I eat dinner. I think that's more of a mindset thing. Y'all, it's about to rain on our heads, child. I think that's more of a, and ain't nobody here. Yeah, there's some people here, but I think that's more of a habit forming thing. It's something that we, develop, as a habit that every time you eat, you got to have dessert. And I'm trying to break myself out of that habit. I don't want to have dessert every time I eat. So I may not have anything sweet tonight. Well, my drink will be something sweet. So I may just use that as my dessert tonight. So anyway, y'all, let me get in here, girl, and get this busted out, because we got things to do today, y'all. I got so much crap to do when I get home. I don't know why I'm in the streets playing today. All the stuff I got to do today. So I will talk to y'all later. So let me get in here, girl, and get this done. That's what I get for waking up late.
Oh, that we could always see such spirit through the